In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share Excel or other files via Google Drive so everybody can edit them. By the end, you'll have one link you can send to your team so they can open and edit the same files in one place. Start by opening Google Drive in your browser. When Drive loads, you'll see the home view, which shows recent and suggested items. From here, move into My Drive so you're looking at your main folders and files. This is where your Excel spreadsheets or other documents live. Next, open the folder that contains the files you want people to edit together. If you keep everything for a project in a single folder, this method is great because one link will cover all the files inside. Click the folder so it's highlighted and selected. With the folder selected, click the three dots, also called More Actions. From that menu, choose Share. This opens the sharing settings for the folder. By default, most folders are restricted, so only specific people can access them. To allow broader collaboration, look for the section labeled General Access. Change this from restricted to anyone with the link. This tells Drive that anyone who has the link can open the folder without you adding each person individually. Now set the permission level. Click the role drop-down and choose Editor. Editor access lets people open files in that folder and make changes, which is exactly what you want for shared editing. If you ever need to reduce access later, you can switch this to Viewer or Commenter using the same steps. Once the access and role look right, click Done to save the settings, then open the sharing panel again if it closed and click